Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Kitchen. In today's video, I'm preparing cucumber curry, or you can call it salad, for lunch. Let's get started. Yeah guys, for lunch I'm making a cucumber curry. For that you need coconut, half of coconut, half cup, then 1 or 2 cucumber, 2 red dry chili and little bit of turmeric. First you have to grind coconut, turmeric and the dry red chili together, because later we will add the cucumber and salt. Guys, once the paste is ready, it's look like this. Like, you can add some water to make it a thick like a gravy type. So after this you have to do the cucumber like this, cut it like this, thin very slice, or you can use a peeler type. So yeah, that is it. I will tell you the next step. It is very easy. Add the cucumber. Let's take 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon oil. Add sesame seeds. Then add coriander leaves. Add this to the curry. Salt, yes, cucumber salad or simple gravy or a curry is ready. Let's serve. Guys, this is my lunch plate. Cucumber salad or a curry, rice and little bit of onion and cucumber salad. Have a look.